time I have the flu. So yes, guys, you know, this is quite the horrendous moment for me. I thought this all started off with a gentle cough. You know when you get like a little throat itch and you're like, oh, I feel a cold trying to progress its way up. Let me try to stop it in its tracks. So I did every Haitian remedy in the book. Got a little citron, put it in some honey, you know, did my little remix the way I'm supposed to with some seaworm miel. Had my cough drops on hand, ginger tea ready to go. I'm like, oh, this is gonna be gone by the morning. So I went to work. All I had was like a little dry cough, nothing too dramatic. I didn't think anything of it because I normally during winter time have like congestion and stuff, so I was just like, okay, whatever. So I just bought some ginger tea to work and was living my life casually. Ooh, memento, I must blow my nostrils. So yes, so Monday I went to work. I was fine, nothing too dramatic. Tuesday morning, luckily I was off because God knew, I woke up with chills, a low-grade fever. My cough was unbearably like hoarse, and your girl was just out of breath. I was just like, oh, what's going on? So I finally went to the doctor. They stuffed that Q-tip up my nostrils, as I've done so many times to patients, and yes, it is horrendous. And he came back and was like, oh yeah, you definitely have the flu. I was like, wow, that's your energy? Needless to say, he told me I basically need to quarantine myself because I can give it to all of my family members because I live with my mom, dad, and my sister. And I was just like, well, that sucks. Me and my sister bond every day and I love to bother my parents, so what are you saying? So anytime I go outside to use the bathroom or get a snack, I have to wear a face mask. I mean, this all just spiraled out of control. So basically I just been sleeping a lot because I'm like tired. He said that the flu this season, like one of the side effects is just like it just drains you, like you have no motivation to do anything. And I was like, have I had the flu for the last couple of years? Apparently, because that's how I've been feeling, you know, just tired. It was school. But yes, I've just been like sleeping a lot, watching Living Single, which I mean, if you've never watched it, it's finally on Hulu. Get it together, friends. Let's watch, let's chat. So yeah, I'm on season 3, I think now. My sister's gonna kill me because she stepped in while I was watching a few episodes and decided, you know, declared that we're watching it together now. Yikes. Sorry, girl. You know, now that she's at work and I'm off, I mean, what was I supposed to do? I mean, I'm quarantined in my room. I was gonna watch my show. So I'm kind of trying to like interchange between this and How I Met Your Mother, but that's like my 50th time watching How I Met Your Mother and I can't take Ted's character, so I washed my hair. That's why I look so refreshed, because I just got out the shower. So you're probably like, is she really sick? I am. I really can't breathe right now. And I sound like I have a smoker's cough. Jesus, just take the wheel. It don't matter, girl. Too late. It's already happening. What are we making, June?
Legume.
Mommy, the way that you just said legume. Why are you telling me to stay away from people?
Because if I'm coughing now, it's for your fault. Since you sick, you got close to me. Refusé quitter my repos, you never want you never to leave me alone. And now you give me your food. As a result, I couldn't go to work.
What?
I pissed on my bed all day, all night. And it's your fault, Cassie.
Oh! Look at your face.
Stay away from me.
Daddy.
What's going on? You asked me, you begged me to be on your blog. I did my best to be on your blog, on your website. They didn't take me off. Thank you.
Management. Daddy, enough is enough, man.
What do you know? Didn't you ask me to be on your blog? Yes or no?
The vlog, Daddy.
Vlog?
Yeah.
What's it, vlog?
Yeah, video blog.
Vlog.
Uh-huh.
Vlog
Blog is just a regular one where you just write. But the vlog, you do videos.
Yes, so I just learned something new. Vlog.
Daddy. That's what I mean.
V-L-O-G. Vlog.
Okay, Daddy.
Thank you.
And we're in. We need to get one of those ramp carts. This? Uh-huh. Quick, grab it. Okay, missed the spin, thank God. Okay, guys, so we're at IKEA because Val wants a dresser. She's trying to change her room basically to look like mine. You know, haters gonna hate. Violence is bump. A camera caught her. Hey, y'all. Actually. Mais prends une non, $2. Strap like you mean. Do your leg walk, do your leg thing. Please. Stop, do the legs, dog. This is go. That's how you show me.